This is a recording for IBCP IT Task 2. So this is the search engine I'm gonna use. So for a search engine, I'm gonna demonstrate a search. So you just search on like the search bar, and then you can see like and hit enter, and then you can see the things that you search. You could also change it to image only, where you can only see images. There's also videos and more, but I won't go deep into that. We could always use like another search engine called Microsoft Bing, which is also my second recommended like search engine, but mainly I use Google Chrome. So now I'm gonna copy a sentence from the wiki here, open up a Word document, create a document, paste the information, and now I would also want another picture, say from here, and copy the image of some stickers from World War II and paste like so. So now I will demonstrate how to avoid plagiarism. So for example, this sentence I would rephrase it with my own words to avoid plagiarism. The Second World War is often refers to World War II, World II, or the Second World War. It was a conflict that happened that, that took place in 1935 to 1945, and like so. So this is how you avoid plagiarism, by only taking the important part, which is the World War, like and then the global conflict. No, wait, the World War II, like short sentence, and then like the Second World War, and then the dates, and then all the other words are like my own words. So that is how you avoid plagiarism. And now you could also choose like the font for your document. So in our school, we are often taught to do it in Times New Roman and in size 12. So this is what we usually do, and we also would save it in our browser. Okay, and we can save it in the downloads. Uh, existing file. Alright. And now I would show an Excel. So I'm gonna open up my Excel, and I am going to show how to create one. It's just like Google Docs. So I'm gonna type in some like random numbers. I'm gonna 12, 12, 134, and another 12. So now I'm gonna show you how you could like change like add like the sum. So in like here we just use sum, a1 sum, and then I believe it's bracket a1 till a4, and close that bracket, hit enter. You can get the total. If you don't want to use like that like difficult, you could always like that like entire thing, you could always like just hit press sum. You could just hit a1 to a4, same thing. If not, you could always just hit the equal sign a1. Instead of sum, you just press the plus button, then until a4. Oh yeah, that's only until that you okay. And now I'm gonna show the subtract, which is also the same thing. I would press equals a1 minus say 5, we can get negative. That's how you get the minus. For the average, you just equal an average. Then you do the bracket. I'm used to doing the bracket, so I do 12. I do A1 till A4. Oh wait, A4, and close that bracket, and you can get the average from A1 to A4. And here you could also do the font. You could change like the size, and then you could change like the font itself also. I'm just gonna choose something like this. Yeah. And now I'm gonna insert. Right now insert. And now I'm gonna show how to create a graph. So I click analysis, you just go to chart, go to say like a pie chart, and you can get like the data in the pie chart. You could also edit the chart data labels so you can see like the numbers. So yeah, this is how you use Excel. For the save part, it's also the same. Just hit save and then save as. Okay. Okay. I haven't signed into my Microsoft account, so that's why it's like bugging out a bit. So yeah, and that's how you save. And for the PowerPoint, which is probably my favorite like website to use, because I love creating PowerPoint. So basically for PowerPoint, instead of just a blank presentation, there's like a lot of like choices for you for your style in your PowerPoint. So for the PowerPoint, it's just creating, and then like yeah. So for the PowerPoint, I'm gonna demonstrate like how can I click? Oh wait, it's a bit buggy. Alright, so like me, it's so buggy. So this is like gonna be a topic, and yeah, I could also add like new slides, maybe like format also. I'm gonna show like the slideshow. So slideshow. So now I'm gonna show like slideshow, but before that, I would need to add like some animation, like the words I use. Like this is how you do like a slideshow. And say to something something, and a wheel. You could also choose like a lot different effects if you want. No, not this one. I want like, yeah, something like that. And add animation. And then here you can select the time or the duration of the effects. Doesn't really matter. And now I'm gonna show like the slideshow. So I'm gonna show from beginning. Basically, what you do is you hit spacebar, and this is how like the things are gonna come up. So yeah, that is presentation. You could always copy and paste the information, say from Google. You can just copy and then you can just paste in the presentation. So yeah, you can also duplicate the sides, which are like the same. So you see like my mouse on the left is like the same thing. And now I am going to just save it. Just save as same thing as all the other document. I was sign and you can see that you downloads. Yeah, and this is how you safe. So thank you for your patience and your time. Hopefully this helps. Bye bye.